Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Let's test your knowledge. What is preeclampsia?
Preeclampsia is a pregnancy complication that can occur after 20 weeks gestation, indicated by hypertension, swelling in hands, feet, and face, and proteinuria.
What are some lifestyle choices to prevent complications such as preeclampsia and gestational diabetes?
Exercising, eating healthy, nutrient-dense food, and staying prayed up.
You are caring for a laboring sister and her water breaks. You notice the amniotic fluid is thick and green in color. What does this mean? And what care do you anticipate to give to the baby once delivered?
This means the mother has meconium-stained amniotic fluid, and what we should do is suction the baby's airways and clean baby off and monitor baby's breathing and possible signs of infection.
What are 3 benefits of breastfeeding? And what are some signs of a good latch?
Benefits of breastfeeding is that it gives baby a perfect combination of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and vitamins. Signs of a good latch is that there shouldn't be no pain or discomfort. You can see that baby's ears are moving slightly and that you can hear baby swallowing. Also, your nipple should be rounded after each feed.
What is gestational diabetes and what are some possible complications?
Gestational diabetes is diabetes or insulin resistance that only occurs during pregnancy. This can cause complications such as macrosomia, which means the baby is considered too large. This can lead to shoulder dystocia during delivery. After birth, it puts baby at risk for low blood sugar. To prevent low blood sugar, we want to have the baby breastfeed soon after birth. Feed frequently and monitor for low blood sugar. Okay, mothers, how did you enjoy the Straitway Midwifery tour?
Well, I really enjoyed the tour of the school. It gave me a lot to think about for when y'all are coming of age and how to prepare y'all the best. But I really enjoyed teaching y'all, being a part of this program, and just being able to pour into you and just seeing how much y'all enjoyed, desired to learn, and how much information you retain. Y'all have a really good understanding of women's health, of pregnancy, postpartum, newborn care, and it just makes me happy, and I pray that I could pour more into y'all, and I just can't wait to see how y'all leads you, and how y'all bless Israel.
Okay.
I agree with everything Sister Leah said. I'm totally excited about everything that um, she was able to teach them over the last 6 months. And it really just inspired them, and it set like the groundwork for something amazing in their lives. You know, we expose them to the possibilities of, you know, nursing, midwifery, and I'm just excited that they all did this together. They all passed the class together because it was like a 6 months class. They held each other accountable. They studied together. They prayed together. And Sister Leah really did a great job just being consistent with the schoolwork, the testing. It was just top notch. The tour was amazing. I mean, this is very impressive. Yes. It was a top notch facility. And I just feel very blessed that the girls and Sister Aaliyah and my sister, we were able to do this together. And the possibilities are endless. So, hallelujah.
Yes, I can't say anything enough. Special thanks to Sister Aaliyah and for Sister Korea for having Amelia to come to the house and do some testing. But this definitely opened Amelia's eyes and what she wanted to be in the future. I remember asking her this like a year ago, what she wanted to be, and she had no idea. But now she's really set to help the Israelites and be a midwife and possibly whatever she's learning, she can take that upon herself as a mom in the future.
Yes.
And that's something that I'm very excited to be, not a grandma yet, but in the future.
Yes.
But I'm very excited for all the girls, what their future is going to become. And I know they will be very successful.
Yes.
And
it gave them so much confidence.
Yes.
Yes.
So they're very smart, intelligent, and blessings to Yah and to Straitway.
where Sister Leah will be acknowledging, everybody for all their hard work. We have something special for y'all. I think that some of y'all may or may know about some of the parts that we have.
I know about it. I have no idea.
But I think y'all are also going to be surprised. I think that, we tried to do our best to keep things under wraps so that everybody would be surprised. And y'all really did a great job. Y'all really took it serious. I didn't see anybody slacking. And y'all held each other accountable. Y'all studied together. Y'all prayed together. And it was just really beautiful to see that. Y'all really worked hard. And Sister Leah did an amazing job. And so I just pray that, this truly prospers, that you all prosper, and that y'all continue to put y'all first and serving one another and serving each other first. And, I just want to bless y'all. And so, with that said, let's go ahead and get the festivities going here. So,
Official certification showing that y'all completed the course and are certified midwife assistants. So the first we have here is Ariana.
Yay! Good job, Ari.
and this is yours, Ari.
Oh my goodness.
So hard. You worked very hard. This is your certificate. I'll just hold it right
So
here.
y'all have earned this certification to say that y'all can be a midwife assistant.
Yes.
Okay. And this is Amelia's.
Good job.
Oh, Madison.
Yay! Good job. Clap for Madison. Woohoo! Samantha. Good job, ladies. Let me see.
It's Amelia. Amelia, there is something for little Lila.
So
in
by
your
the
bag.
state, by the state and all,
No, for our program. So in Straitway in Israel,
Thank you.
I deem y'all certified midwife
job.
assistant. Okay. And then y'all will increase in growth. I know.
Add to your
You can hang
Your
your
gift set.
Yes. So
okay.
this says midwife.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. It says care, coach, encourage, deliver. All right. Y'all each have one. Y'all go in your little bags.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Key changes y'all can clip it on too.
Oh.
You're rolling a little hook. See?
Thank you.
is this for the bitty basket?
Y'all deserve it. Y'all
Yes.
so good.
Y'all earned this.
Such an awesome.
My gift is teaching y'all.
I'm for this tomorrow. I'm
Y'all
gonna wear
and
this.
y'all grow. Thank you, Sister Corey. Thank you, Sister Ray.
And
Ooh, I get me a shirt too. We have to be matching.
I don't know what to do with my bitty basket.
Okay. Oh, thank you, Sister Corey. It'll fit me now.
Hey, Sister Lee, you want to switch masks?
and then this is also for you.
Oh, what is that?
Thank you. Oh, bless you.
Ooh, Ari, what one did you
And
get?
then Sister Rachel.
I don't know. I just do it green.
This is from Sister Rachel and Sister Amelia.
Oh, thank you. Y'all didn't have to. I was just happy for y'all.
If you are part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.